La Roche-Posay's Cicaplast Balm B5 Plus is a game changer for soothing and repairing dry, irritated skin. This multi-purpose balm is perfect for everyone, from babies to adults, and is gentle enough for sensitive skin. It's formulated with shea butter and glycerin to provide long-lasting hydration and nourishment. Let's talk about its key benefits. Soothes and repairs. Dry, irritated skin. Provides long-lasting hydration. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, multi-purpose, can be used on the face, body, hands, and lips. Non-greasy and non-comedogenic. The Cicaplast Balm B5 Plus contains madecassoside, derived from the Centella asiatica plant, which is known for its wound healing and anti-inflammatory properties. It's also infused with La Roche-Posay's thermal spring water, which adds soothing and antioxidant properties. This balm has its ability to provide instant relief and hydration. With dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin, found it to be a real winner that didn't break them out. It all soothe and repair skin without leaving a greasy residue. Overall, La Roche-Posay's Cicaplast Balm B5 Plus is a must-have for anyone struggling with dry, irritated skin. Its unique blend of soothing and nourishing ingredients makes it perfect for daily use.